Hey everyone, welcome back to with Loki. So I have received hundreds of messages. Handshake AI is not working in India. It's asking for phone verification. How did you create your account? Did you use US numbers or is this fake? So in this video I am going to answer all of this question. I will show you exactly how I landed a Handshake AI project with an Indian account. So watch this video till the end. I will show you proof that Indians can work on Handshake AI. This is the Handshake AI dashboard and this is the student and alumni connect to your school. So this is the not important. Here is the important is payout 8 USD per hour, and here is the some skill, what skills you will gain, and about the all job description. This is for the AI trainer India and US work authorization required. So this option is not mandatory. If you don't have the authorization, still you can work. And here is the job description. You can read it, the overview about the details and what they are looking for. So this is the not only one role, there are the lot of roles. After onboarding you will see on the dashboard. I will show you. Now back to the home and skip for now. So another good thing about Handshake AI is their support. If you face any issue during a verification or onboarding, they don't just ask for the wait for replies. They provide the Zoom meeting link where you can direct talk with their support team. Every day they conduct session. So if you have any verification issue or ID issue or something, so you can directly join the Zoom call and get help immediately. Okay, now comes the most important part is your resume. Okay, so this one is skip for now. Now it will take some time for loading. So confirm work authorization. If you select yes, so here it will ask the few things, H1B sponsorship or the OPT CPT. So it's not required, just click no and go to the next. Now here is the resume, the most important thing. So you cannot get back again a phone or a work authorization. So if you click on continue, so उसके बाद back नहीं जाएगा. Now back to the description. Description is already done. Now you can see the current role, what skill did you attain, highest level of education. Just click on the resume and upload the resume. So many people think simply creating an account is enough. No, your resume decide whether you will get a shortlisted or not. The way your experience, skills, projects and education are written matters a lot. That's why so many people kept messaging me asking why don't you help us with the resume. So I finally started helping. If you want the complete account setup, resume optimization and profile guidance and approval in Handshake AI, just DM me on Telegram or WhatsApp. So it's completely paid, and if your profile doesn't get shortlisted after following the process, so I will refund your payment. What school did you attend and what is your highest level of education, when did you graduate, and what's your LinkedIn URL, what country are you located in, and how did you hear about us. So here is the all general questions. So which subfield best describe your background. So as you can see, chemical, civil, electrical, material, so lot of options are available. And apart from engineering, there is the other role as well, you can select it. And it's very important because if you select anything, so it matches with your skill and if align with any project, so आपके डैशबोर्ड पे फिर वो प्रोजेक्ट शो करेगा. सो ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. And which subfields best describe your background. So aerospace, chemical, civil, electrical, again there is the subfield, you can choose it. So I will recommend 2 to 3 choose it. That's must align with your resume and your skills, because if you choose anything and if you get the project and if you fail the assessment, so it doesn't make sense, because you are doing a lot of efforts to creating account and also you pay me for this, so must be aligned with your skill. So what's your current role? So here is the lot of roles you can see. I check AI but not match with the any AI. So I just select the any role that matches with my skill. So you can choose as well, so you cannot skip it, you must have to choose. And which university come from, I come from University of Mumbai, so it's available. If it's not available, you can select other as well. And you have to select your graduation year and what's your the LinkedIn URL. Just go to your LinkedIn and copy your URL. An important part is which country are you located in. So you can see the almost all countries are available, and the important thing is India is available. So here is the very stupid question. So I just blindly click on anything, how did you hear about us, and here is the referral code. So in my description I have added the referral link, so those who come from the non-India region, so who can directly work in Handshake AI. So after checking all the details and before moving, here is the important thing is how is my resume used to match me to project. So they clearly mention your resume help us to understand your background, skills or areas, or on the basis on that they will shortlist for the project. And believe me, whatever I'm saying and whatever I'm showing the process, 100% it will show you the work on your dashboard. So can I change the information later? So currently no. And here is the some FAQs, you can read it. After checking all the steps, just click on the next. Now comes identity verification. This is not a bypass, this is not a USA identity, this is completed using an Indian identity documents. So if you are from the USA or another supported country, you can simply sign up using the official link in the description. So what country is your government ID? So you selected India, so you have to upload your any one document, driving, passport, national, PAN or voter ID. So if you have privacy concern about uploading PAN, so you can use another supporting document instead. If verification fails, don't panic. Sometimes it's because of lighting, face matching or image quality. Just try again for documents. So I recommend using a passport or any other document. If still showing the same issue, just you can try other document as well, or you can join the Zoom meet and whatever the queries you have to tell your team leader or whatever the host of the meeting. Now I'm trying with another ID. This helps us to determine. Okay, click on India, continue, and just scan the QR and complete it. So that's it. We were able to verify your identity. It will show like the right. So once everything is approved, your dashboard will start showing the available projects based on your profile. And again, every person will not receive the same project. Everything depends on your skill, education, resume and the previous experience. And if your ID is not verified, so it will show verification is under review. So that's it for today's video. I hope this clear all your confusion about whether Handshake AI works in India. Yes, it does. If you need help with account setup, resume, profile optimization, getting shortlisted, DM me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Both links are in the description. Thank you so much for watching this. This was another proof that Indians can also work on Handshake AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share video with someone looking for AI remote work. Until next time, keep learning, keep earning.